5 signs you will break up soon. What are the signs of a breakup? How to know if it's time to end your relationship and look for your happiness somewhere else. Here's the bitter truth. Sometimes, no matter how great things are at first, it comes a time when the magic is gone and you're both trying to hold on to something that's not there anymore. So how do you know if you're going to break up soon though? Are there any signs that you don't notice but shout it's over in your mind? What will fail your relationship? Here are 5 signs you will break up very soon. 1. His attitude has changed. Your loved one is always stressed at work and doesn't have enough time to relax. He has too many things to do in life, too many hobbies that take his time from you, and even more friends who want him for themselves. It doesn't matter what kind of excuses you hear. If your significant one wants to be with you, he will be. A relationship is a partnership, and partners spend quality time together. You should have fun, you should make plans together, and you should enjoy each other as often as you can. If your partner avoids these activities, maybe it's time to move on with your life. 2. He cancels your dates. If you have a date or he promised to come with you somewhere but cancels at the last minute, don't worry. He might be busy with something more important. What if it keeps happening though? Well, this might be a sign your loved one doesn't take the relationship seriously enough. Skipping dates because of any ridiculous reason should tell you that your partner prefers to spend his time away from you. This is a huge sign you will break up soon. 3. You argue and criticize each other too much. You're not perfect, neither he is. If you criticize the other too much or he does it with you, it is because you just don't accept him the way he is. Arguing about every little thing shows an unwillingness to compromise and back off and makes the breakup even closer. We either love the other the way they are, or keep looking for someone else who doesn't have to change so we feel happy with him. Moreover, if you're pressured to change yourself and act differently, I suggest you run, fast. He just doesn't love you anymore. 4. He's never happy. Here's a good question. Do you feel like you're talking about how to fix your relationship all the time? How often do you have the "we need to talk" conversation? What if the thought of you staying together doesn't look as bright as it used to? The thing is, constantly fixing a relationship that just started is a huge sign of incompatibility. If you feel emotionally dissatisfied and lack stability in the first years after getting together, something is truly wrong. You might not be the perfect match. 5. Saying sorry isn't followed by a change. When it comes to messing up and fixing mistakes that aren't healthy for the relationship's future, change is inevitable. If you heard "I promise I will change" more than twice for the same things, that's a sure sign that change isn't coming anytime soon. It is not going to happen, and somewhere deep inside, you know it too. When we love someone, we don't hurt them. If we know that doing or saying something will make you miserable and he goes for it, there is only one piece of advice for you. He doesn't respect you. Just say goodbye and look for someone who will respect you enough not to hurt you. These were 5 signs you will break up soon. See 3 more by clicking the link in the description box below. Visit drforlove.com for more tips on how to build a love life you enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment, share.